to get a tie because of the Grand Rally. What a rescue act that was.
Absolutely. I think we have truly lived by the leopard spirit, which is keep fighting and speed, strategy. So although we were off to a bit of a slow start, in the game, I think we really made up in the Grand Rally. It was sheer teamwork from the entire team. And yes, we got there, so we landed up with a tie today. So we're very happy about that.
As an owner, what do you think you have to do in the dressing room? Do you leave it to the players and the coaches to figure out everything, or do you provide your own words of motivation to try and make them do the best of their abilities?
So, the dressing room, we leave the entire order and everything to the coaches, they have the expertise on that. As far as our role comes in, I think we are there to motivate the players, whether it's been a great day, whether it's been not so great. I think we're always there morally supporting them.
So there's always cake.
There's always cake, even at the end of the matches, no matter how we've fared. So yes, the whole point is, to have the spirit going on, and yes, motivating the team until the very end of the season. And the team has played fairly, I think they've done well so far, and we just have to keep at it. We had a bit of an order change today with Mihika coming in, and the men's double, we tweaked it a little bit. So yes, we're getting there. I think we're just experimenting with a few order changes. I think they're all in great form. And tomorrow's another day, and we're hoping for it to be another great start.
And today wasn't bad either. I mean, you've got another reason to celebrate today, cut a cake today. But let's also talk about the aura that this team carries with itself. Yes. I mean, the leopard jackets, the crown.
The robes.
Who came up with this idea?
It was all a teamwork, and I think the robes have really given the whole vibe of the leopard and the spirit. And I must mention Shelby. I think she truly, in all aspects, reflects the spirit of the leopard and the roar, and she's fierce. And so are the other players, So I think, yes, we are truly living by our,
by your name, yeah.
Shreya, one last question before we take your leave. In terms of strategy, we've noticed that you have banked on experience. You've got the likes of Ryla DeHart or Shelby Bates, who are more experienced campaigners in the world of pickleball, as opposed to some certain youngsters that other teams have invested in. Was that a call that the ownership and the management took? And what was the reason for it?
So yes, to start with, initially that, when we were getting the players on board, that was the strategy that we went with, because all the coaches have been following the games. But to our surprise, actually, to everybody's surprise, the rising stars, especially Naomi, she has done phenomenally well. I think she surprised us with all the games. Meka's first game was today. I think she has played fabulously as a start today. And I think they're all doing great. Shelby and Ryla, of course, are the seasoned international players with years of experience. Addy has been doing phenomenally well. Himansh was on board. I think, yes, he's been playing
last
a few...
minute replacement, and he has to perform.
He's really upped the game, and I think as a team, we're all doing superbly well.
And the rising stars are performing well as well.
They have actually taken us all by surprise, like I mentioned. So yes, way to go, and good luck to the team.
Good luck to you as well. Thank you so much for talking to us and joining us here in the studio.